Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can fix the issue if your Sonos 5 is not connecting to Wi-Fi. So this is really frustrating, to be honest, and the first thing that many people also recommended is you have to change the router, only because like the router is just not really good with the Sonos. So this is the first option. I don't really like the option when you're gonna buy for hundreds of dollars you know the product and it's just not working. It's fascinating, it's crazy. The first thing, and the second thing, maybe this is going to work out, maybe not. So I don't know if you already did that, but try to perform the factory reset. So I just wanted to make this quick video. Unplug the device. When you're going to unplug the device, then from the electricity, then what you want to do, you just want to press and hold the infinity connecting button, and you want to put the cable back in. So you're going to unplug it, then you're going to hold the button, you're going to plug it back in, and while holding the button, you need to still hold it. The white light is going to go to orange, and then it will go out to white, orange, white, orange, white, orange. You will release the button, and then it should go to the green, and you should perform factory reset. Maybe this is going to work out, but there can be so many issues why it's happening, and one of the reasons could be the router. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. Have a great day, and goodbye.